Happy New Year, everyone. I hope everybody had a wonderful New Year's Eve and a good start to January 1, 2019. As you hear, I'm a little under the weather. I got a chest cold of some sort, but I'm really excited about moving forward with this channel in 2019 for a couple reasons. I'm excited plumbing wise because my son Angelo, he graduates high school this June. He'll be with us. Him and CB2 will also be going to plumbing apprentice school in September. I want to get back to the community also because you guys are helping me build this channel. So what I'm going to do is I want to sponsor someone in an apprentice program. I believe they all start in September. I'm not sure. I'm going to look into it, but that's one of my goals this year is to sponsor someone who needs help being sponsored financially to help them get started in the plumbing trade, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. Great trade, and I'm really stoked. Another reason I'm excited for 2019 is my office will finally be done, and I'm excited to have a headquarters, and of course the shop tour will come when it's complete. I know I've been asked about the shop, truck tour and shop tour. They're gonna come. And moving forward in the plumbing world, I want to, and this is from you guys, and I know I gotta do it too. I gotta have CB2 hands-on more, and that's why I really want him to get in apprentice school, because I got to stop between the teaching and the wanting to get done a job and get out, because in the long run it's best to teach CB2 and Angelo the trade so they can carry on, so I can take it easy. That's what I'm talking about. We went surfing this morning, started this year off right, and then we hit the Brigantine, New Jersey polar plunge, and I got some video and hopefully I got some good shots. So we're going to end this episode with showing you some clips from today's activities. And again, Happy New Year, a healthy New Year, because we all know the most important key is health is wealth. Here are the shots from today. Have a great night.